Welcome to Orchard Lane West in Grand Bay, Alabama. This new construction home features 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It has beautiful quartz countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths, tray ceilings in the living area, in the dining room, and in the primary suite. Just beautiful molding in this home. Lots of character, lots of natural light. An open floor plan here. The kitchen overlooks the living area as well as the back porch. Here's the primary bedroom with the tray ceiling. The primary bath features dual vanities, a tiled shower plus a soaking tub. You have a nice size walk-in closet as well. Wooden shelves in all the closets and the pantries in this home. Nothing is done cheaply. Everything's done like a custom build. Call today for your private showing and let me see how I can get you into this home for the most affordable monthly payment you can imagine. Here's one of the guest bedrooms. Nice size laundry room. Hallway bathroom here, which is a full bath as well. The second guest bedroom. This home has luxury vinyl plank throughout. It doesn't have any carpet. You have a nice screened-in back porch. Nice size yard as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.